Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how many type of databases or data from different files can be connected with QlikView. So you can see over here, this is the window. So this is basically a window which is going to appear when you are going to press Ctrl plus E, or you are going over here on this particular file menu and you can go on edit script. So you will be getting this particular window. So it is going to redirect us. So this is the edit script window. Over here you can see a code script. Whenever you are going to connect with the files, so you can find out this is a database. So you can directly connect it with the ODBC. You can connect it with the OLEDB, QES admin data provider.dls. These are the different types of databases. SQL, you can directly connect it with the SQL database also. Then you can take a file, or if you want to have a 32-bit, source 32, you can click it on. And if you want to connect it with the files, different types of files, so you can connect it with the CSV file. This is CSV. And if you want to connect this Excel file, you can connect it with the Excel file. I'll show you. This is Microsoft Office Excel file, so you can connect it. So if any other files are there, so CSV and Excel files can directly visible. So these are the files which you can directly connect: CSV, Excel. So this can be connected with the help of table files. Then QlikView files. So whatever will be the files which are there in your PC, so you can directly connect it to. So these are the files: QlikView document, QVD format. So you can connect it. Then some of the files which can be connected from the web. So this can be connected with the option named as web files. Then click on this. You have to give a path. So you have to give a path, and you have to select whichever agent is this: Mozilla or any type of browser, Chrome. So over here is nothing but user agent by default named as Mozilla/5.0. So we can give the name of this particular file, we can provide the path, and we can go on clicking on next, and then finish. So it can connect it with the web file. Field data. So similarly, it is also going to have local file as well as internet. So whichever file we are going to want, similar is the process. You have to click on next, and then finish. From local, you can browse it. You can click on browse, and you can connect it. If you want to get a file from web or internet, you have to connect it with the user agent, and then you can do this particular next, and then finish. From field, if you want, you can browse it, and then you can connect it. So these are the databases or the data files which we can connect it with the QlikView for visualization, data analysis, as well as we can integrate, or we can use the data for analysis purpose. We can represent it in the form of chart, different types of chart. So for data visualization and for data analysis, we can use this particular. And different types of databases can be connected from SQL, OLEDB, as well as QVS. So these are the different databases we can connect. So I hope you have understood how many type of databases or data can be connected with. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.